Welcome, fellow seekers of truth and creators of your own realities. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey of self-discovery as we delve into the profound teachings of a man who dared to challenge the limits of human potential. Today, we unlock the mystical wisdom of Neville Goddard. Have you ever wondered if there's more to life than what meets the eye? Are you intrigued by the power of your own thoughts and actions? Well, my friend, you're about to step into a world where imagination becomes reality, where the unseen becomes manifest, and where your dreams become your everyday existence. Neville Goddard, a luminary in the realms of consciousness and manifestation, revealed timeless truths about the potential of our own minds. His teachings hold the keys to unlocking your innate power to shape your reality. And in this captivating video, we are about to unravel these invaluable insights, layer by mysterious layer. But this wisdom is not mere theory. It is a practical guide for creating the life of your dreams. Stay tuned with us as we take these teachings from theory to practice, exploring how to apply Neville Goddard's profound insights in our everyday life. So, my friends, if you're ready to unlock the doors to your true potential, to venture into the realm of conscious manifestation, then hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and prepare to immerse yourself in the teachings of Neville Goddard. Okay, let's get started. Neville Goddard's teachings revolve around the concept that consciousness is the only reality and that it is manifested through our imagination. According to Goddard, our experiences in life are a direct reflection of our state of consciousness and the attention we give to certain thoughts and beliefs. To manifest our desires, Goddard advises us to think and feel from the premise of what is true, lovely, and of good report. Instead of denying or ignoring unlovely experiences, we should focus on imagining and feeling the reality we desire. By rearranging our minds and aligning our thoughts and emotions with our desired experiences, we can bring them into manifestation. One interesting aspect of Goddard's teachings is the connection between our inner conversations and the way others appear to us. He suggests that by changing how we imagine others, we can actually change the way they show up in our lives. This highlights the power of our imagination and the role it plays in shaping our reality. Goddard also introduces the idea of surrendering free will only to our lovely prayers. This means that we should let go of any resistance or attachment to specific outcomes and instead trust in the power of our imagination and the divine intelligence of the universe. In order to work things out and manifest our desires, Goddard encourages us to have conversations with ourselves. This is akin to having an invisible counsel or a holy guardian angel, where we engage in dialogue and explore different perspectives and possibilities. By engaging in these inner conversations, we can gain clarity, overcome challenges, and align ourselves with our desired outcome. It is interesting to note that the concept of praying is actually a form of imagining. In Matthew 6:6, it is stated, "But when you pray, go into your room, close the door, and pray to your Father who is unseen. Then your Father who sees what is done in secret will reward you." This implies that our imagination plays a significant role in shaping our reality. Through cause and effect reflection, we can gain a deeper understanding of how our imagination affects others. We can observe how we are relating to the one ultimate cause within all, which then manifests accordingly with others. In my own experience, I realized that I was imagining others to be more authoritative or knowledgeable than myself, subtly assigning them the power of awareness. This was a reflection of how I was relating to the ultimate cause within me. It is important to recognize that the power of imagination extends beyond the external world. The world of appearances is merely a reflection of our inward imagination. As Neville Goddard mentioned, there is only one ultimate cause, which is God's Spirit animating all roles and appearances. This idea of surrendering free will to the law of assumption is rooted in the understanding of personal impotence and the importance of self-surrender. Just as you cannot force magnetism into being, but can only display it by conforming to the law of magnetism, so too can you manifest your desires by surrendering to the law of assumption. The faculty of assumption plays a crucial role in understanding cause and effect, as articulated in John 14:20. On that day, you will realize that you are in the Father and the Father is in you. This realization refers to the presence of God within you, which is eventually recognized by all. It is through this realization that you can tap into the power of consciousness and transform your life. Different outlooks on life exist, with one emphasizing consciousness as the true reality and the other focusing on matter. However, it is through the surrendering of free will to the law of assumption that you can harness the power of your consciousness to manifest your desire. By understanding that consciousness is the source from which the mind and mental phenomena emerge, you can deliberately and consciously control your reality. The Bible teaches an integral approach where consciousness appears as physical objects by law. This means that you have the power to call upon the unseen as though it were physically real, and it will manifest in and as physical matter. As Matthew 11:24 states, "Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." This highlights the importance of the power of belief and the ability to receive what is asked for through the surrendering of free will to the law of assumption. Goddard emphasizes that life appearances remain persistent through our attention. If we want to experience lovely things, we should think and feel from the premise of what we consider true, lovely, and of good report. It is important not to forcefully pretend that unlovely experiences are not there. Instead, we should focus on thinking and feeling from a place of what we desire to be true and lovely. Denying the evidence of the senses means existing beyond resistance and assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Our assumptions, if they are creative and noble, increase our assurance and help us reach a higher level of being. On the other hand, unlovely assumptions hinder us and make our journey downward swifter. Our thoughts and feelings create an atmosphere. So if we harbor hard and bitter feelings, we create a hard and bitter atmosphere. Friends, here we conclude our today's discussion. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the wisdom of Neville Goddard's teachings, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. We appreciate your support in helping us spread these powerful messages to a wider audience. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share your manifestations, insights, or any questions you may have. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to harnessing the power of consciousness and manifesting their desires. As we embark on our individual manifestation journeys, remember that you have the power within you to create the reality you truly desire. Believe in yourself and trust in the process. With consistent practice and unwavering faith, you can manifest incredible outcomes in every area of your life. Thank you once again for joining us. And until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the incredible power of your consciousness.